We finally got the last one to complete our set. Keep watching to see our whole set. Hi guys, I'm Don and this is Double D Diecasts. Thanks for tuning in and please support our channel by hitting like, leaving a comment and subscribing if you haven't done so already. If you do all three, you'll be in with the chance of winning a bunch of our Hot Wheels at the end of the year. Enjoy the videos. Here we have the Hot Wheels Premium Fast and Furious set. This is the first premium Hot Wheels set for the Fast and Furious. This one is the Fast Imports. You can see just on the top corner there. And this is number 1 out of 5, the Nissan Skyline GTR BNR 34. Now this is in a very cool silver with the blue stripes down the side and on the hood. And if you have a look at the front bumper, it's probably easier to see on the card. It's got the K&N graphic just on the bumper there. Another cool thing before I flip it over, if you have a look at the feature car, it's up front, and then the back parked behind it are the other 4 cars in the set, which I thought is a pretty cool piece on the artwork. Flip around, just so you guys know, most of the cars we collect are international. This is one of them. You can see the other 4 cars in the set are nicely marked on the back. This Skyline is from the Too Fast and Too Furious movie. And then just on the bottom there you can see we've also got the other licensed brands: Rays, K&N, Toyota Tires, Sparco, Ford, Lamborghini, Nissan and Universal Studios. Number 2 out of 5 is the Nissan Silvia S15, and that's in a darker blue with the orange stripe. We've got the Rays logo just in front of the rear wheel arch. Other 4 cars parked in the back. And on the back we can see it's from the Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift movie. Number 3 out of 5 is one of my favorite, the 1970 Ford Escort RS 1600, and that's also in a very cool blue with the white stripes on the hood and down the side panels. We've also got the rally lights up front and the chrome bumpers on the front and the back. And that's from the Fast and Furious 6 movie. Here's my favorite one of the set. It's the Lamborghini Gallardo LP 570-4 Superleggera. That's number 4 out of 5. That's in a very cool Lambo yellow with the black racing stripe and the black wheels and the black spoiler, black top grille up front. Very cool looking casting. That one's from the Fast and Furious 6 movie. And number 5 out of 5, this is the one that we struggled to find but eventually found a couple of weeks after getting all the rest, and that's the Nissan Skyline GTR BNR 32. Now my lighting doesn't really do it justice. The black is very, very cool. Look around, and that's from the Furious 7 movie. Thanks guys, I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Please remember to hit like and subscribe to stay in touch, and we'll be posting the next video, which will be the Fast Imports, pretty soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.